Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Pat Outdoor Adventure. How nice to see you guys today. I hope you're doing really well. We're off out on a cycle. I've sorted the camera problem out. I've now got, it's not like a proper GoPro, it's you know, like a cheap old like alternative, but you know, it'll do the job. I've also got a spare battery attached here when it's needed, because I did actually, I did film a cycle I think last weekend, and the thing died halfway through because it wasn't fully charged up. So another reason to check your kit before you leave. So I brought a second battery just in case it runs out. And I mean, it's cheapest, I'm not expecting miracles, so if it does, I've got a second battery and hopefully I can capture some footage for you guys. I figured this is probably the better way to do it, because obviously there was sway from the handlebars when I had it mounted on the quad lock. So, and plus you can see what I'm looking at and whatnot as well. So yeah, hopefully it'll come out really well. If this is what you're into, please consider liking and subscribing. I hope to see you in a future video, and let's get cracking.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, 'cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid.
Having a short break in Lydiard. It's ducks and yeah, it's lovely. Everything's going well so far. Struggling on the hills, but that's what you get when you take the car to work all week. So yeah, a couple of days off and you know, you go backwards again. It's getting quite nice. So yeah, it's definitely right well, and try and get rid of this because yeah, way too much. I think I might have just put my hand in some bird poo as well, which is awfully smart of me. Anyway, it is what it is. Yeah, don't know if I need to get another drink or not. Hopefully that will last until I get back. I'm going to get going again in a minute. I'll head down to the industrial estate, we pick up the old railway line and I can hike that all the way back to the other side of town. I've done 5.5 miles so far, so it's not too bad. Yeah, absolutely lovely. Really enjoying it. Really nice.
On the flip side, maybe we can be friends when you're not so fragile, when you know yourself well, somewhere down the sweet line, when I do things for me, cause I don't wanna be a therapy, I wanna be free, so ooh, gotta go and grab a spoon now, ooh, make a life for myself,
we are. All back. I'll post the a screenshot of the stats. That was about 11 miles in about an hour and 10. I think it was an average speed of about 9 miles an hour. Wasn't too bad considering. So hopefully I've got some good footage on the camera too. I did change the battery at Lydiard to make sure that it didn't go dead, because it definitely didn't want that to happen, and it hasn't. So yeah, just checked, I've recorded 47 minutes for the trip back since I changed it, and yeah, it's just going. So I'll charge them both up and that's a workable solution, but the thing is I can't really get away with taping that there. So I try and get a saddlebag or something, and I'll update the kit obviously. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. If this is what you're into, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in another video. Thank you very much.